What's up? Day 2 here in Banff, and I don't know why we decided this was a good idea, but we're gonna go do a little stand-up paddleboarding today, and what I've been told is a glacial lake. Not sure how I feel about this. Scott, what are your thoughts on this?
I'm already freezing cold. I'm already ice. I don't feel good about it. I really don't.
I hear you're going in.
Well, I'm fine with a lake that's of swimmable temperature, and if you fall in, you swim. I don't like going into glacier temperature.
It said bracingly cold. That's not freezing cold.
Look, you and I are gonna have problems.
There's a lot of health benefits to cold water. With trunks like that, oh yeah, it's happening. You already got your swimmies on.
The shorts are to make it look like it's the middle of summer, and everything's like perfect temperature in the mountains.
I'm believing it. The sun on the car and everything.
Right?
I'm believing it.
Oh, it's hot. I'm not okay with this.
A ride? No big deal.
Wow, we're working out already, hey?
Yeah.
They are light. You know what that means?
Which way to the beach?
Easier to flip. You were kind of hoping it wasn't gonna fit, weren't you?
I was kind of hoping we wouldn't be able to get these there so that we could just call this whole shoot off, but...
Don't worry, we got it.
Too late to run?
Barely. Barely.
Oh, I will. Afterwards, I'm fine. Which one's the most stable one?
Most stable?
That you can put on so that if you go in, they don't go, woo.
You don't wear when you get out faster.
Right. Right. Well, here goes nothing.
Yeah, exactly.
Godspeed. How many Canadians does it take to pump up a paddleboard?
At least we know what we're doing, Yank.
Touche.
Is this a dance move? Said he had to pump up, so try single action, but let's just... You know what's better than single action? Double action.
Yeah, there you go.
Now, I've been paddleboarding twice in my life, and in both of those instances, I have ended up in the water. This water has been described as blisteringly cold, something like that. Not warm. And to top it all off, got a little rain action as well.
Yeah.
Warmer or colder than you expected it to be?
I would say it's colder than I thought it would be.
But it's not.
It's less stable than I thought it was going to be, but...
You look like a pro.
Put 1 foot
in front of it, like slope style?
Yeah, like have your, like this.
You were expecting me to go in, and
I was,
and you can't.
And I'm a little disappointed you're not in the water right now.
In Canada, we kind of have we're growing up on the water, so we know what we're doing.
How many times have you done this?
This is the second time we've done it. You know, we got out there on the water, and we gave it a good rip there, bud. And, you know, I'm gonna go slam a couple Molson Canadians after this. You know, a little tired, but maybe I'll go find a tree to chop down and maybe rest a la bear. We'll go see.
That's the most Canadian thing I've ever heard in my life. Is that your hero shot right there?
That's my hero shot. Look.
Unfortunately for this video, this guy didn't fall in back here.
Baby!
I'm actually a little bummed about that, but man, could have asked for more fun. Anyway, if you come to Banff, you want a break from the hiking, the biking, the golfing, all the different things, and you need a break from that, make sure to go get a stand-up paddleboard, head up to the reservoir. You're gonna have a good time. The water's like super smooth, like glass. Even if you've never done it before and think you're as clueless as we are, you're gonna have a great time. And you might fall in, but probably not.